Hi, Wei Ming here from Mingwei. Thanks for dropping by and welcome to my channel.
Home point updated.
Well, after quite a long time, ever since the CAAM come up with this regulation that we have to fly any kind of drones with permit. Without permit means you cannot fly, otherwise you'll be fined as high as 50,000 ringgit. That is a lot of money. Anyway, I'm flying today. Okay, I'm flying today. Well, I have my DJI Mini 2 SE with me today, and what I'm going to do is today I'm going to fly to one construction site to check out the updates and see how's the status over there. In fact, this is also a request from one of my subscriber who is requesting for the updates on the construction site. Well, okay. Before I fly the drone, after a long time, let me just run through these settings. Hopefully everything is in order and good. Okay, now the settings. Okay, auto return altitude 45. I put it to 55. 123,000. No calibration required. Controls. Okay. Okay, let's format the SD card. Firm. Formatting the SD card. Okay, good. Okay, I guess everything is in order, and I'll be recording at 2.7K at 30 frames per second. Okay, let's do it.
Home point updated.
Oh yeah, as usual, let me just fly this drone close to the tripod's camera so you can have a look at this beautiful drone here. Yeah, today weather condition is not too windy, a bit of wind, not too windy. Here go the beautiful drone. So stable. Yeah. It's beautiful DJI Mini 2 SE. It's very stable. Oh, okay, let's fly. The construction site is just right in front, not too far away from here. I did mention about the construction site. I do not know what are they doing over there. It looks like they are building a new complex over there. Okay. Okay, it's a bit too hot now. Actually, it is 12 noon now. And the sun is just right on top of my head. Okay, proceed. Turn to my right, and off I go. I'll bring up the gimbal a little. Okay, below are all those shops. Those are all shops. And for those of you who are new to this channel, I hope you all can consider subscribe to my channel. Okay. Well, after a long time, let's bring up the drone. I want to fly higher. Okay, let's go further. There's a little bit of progress. Now I can see there's a bit of progress, not much. Still there is a bit of progress over there. So this is the site I'm talking about. Okay, there's a lorry over on the right. Let's check it out. Okay, I can see there's an excavator on my left and there's a lorry over there. Okay. Let's go further. Battery with 83%, so still good, no worry. Let's see what's the lorry doing over there. Bring down my gimbal. Yeah, maybe what I'll do is I'll follow the lorry. Yeah, I can see there are some foundation. They're doing some foundation over there already. I mean, see there are cement slabs over there. There's even a crane over there now. There's a lot of progress. It looks like there's progress. Now let me just turn a little bit over here. Shall I go up a bit higher? Yes, I think I should. Let's go up higher. And at the same time, bring down my gimbal. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it actually looks like a complex to me. I do not know why they want to build a complex over here. We have a small complex over here already actually. But this is a small area. Having a complex over here is really waste of money. Yeah, just check it out. Yum, 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 yum. Okay, now I have a bit of interference. Maybe because I'm under a tree. Okay, let's move myself a little bit to the open area. I hope I have a better reception from here. Nope, I don't have a better reception. Okay, what I'll do is I'll fly back and go back to this construction site again. Hopefully I have a better reception later. Try to avoid the route which I've flown now. Okay, turn to my left. I'm flying at 115 meters altitude. Yep, I'm coming back. Okay, it looks like the reception is good now. Let's turn over. Not too good, still not too good. Never mind. I'll come back first. Bring up the gimbal so that you can see where am I. I mean, okay. Let's go back to the site. Okay, let me just turn back to the site. Hopefully I can have a better reception now. Battery with 64%. Hope I have sufficient battery to check out the site. I mean the construction area. Okay, it's just next to this highway. Okay, bring down the gimbal so that I can see where is the site. Okay, I have to turn to my left. Okay, this is the construction area. Again, let's go to the construction area. Now, to those of you who have asked me about the update, the status of this construction area, there you go. This is how it looks like now. I should go down a little bit more to have a clearer picture. Again, the reception become very, very bad now. Okay, I try to zoom nearer. Okay, this is how it looks like now. See, they have already did the piling, I guess. Bring up the gimbal. You see the excavator. They are working over there now. I just hope it is not a condominium because it's going to be overcrowded at this small place here. Bring up the gimbal. Parking is not sufficient over here. I hope they don't build any more condominiums over here. Well, that's a trend. They might build a condominium, I guess. That's a trend now. Okay, now. Okay, back to 1 times. Okay. Now I guess you have a clear picture. Very clear picture on the status of this construction site now. Okay, let me just run again over the construction site before I turn back home. Okay, go. I'm reversing now. Okay, I think it's time to go back. Okay, climb up to 60 meters and let's go home. Well, I hope you enjoy watching the video, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, as your thumbs up will really encourage me to make more and better contents. I'm so sorry for lately. I know I have stopped flying for quite some time, around 2 months I guess. That's due to the CAAM's regulation that I wanted to fly actually. For those of you who knows me, you knows that I'm the kind of flyer who loves drones so much. Okay, just that I am not allowed to fly and I do not want to look for trouble. Today I really couldn't stand anymore. I just wanted to fly my drone. Now back home. Okay, I am very near already 200. Oh no. Okay, I am 170, 160 from the home point. Coming back. Okay, now let's see where I am. I mean, where's my drone? And that's the beautiful Kuala Lumpur. Check it out. If you look right in front of you, middle of the screen now, there's the new skyscraper, Merdeka 138, I guess. 118, I mean, 118. Okay. Okay, let's turn around. Yeah, this is where my place is actually. I stay somewhere around here. Oh yeah, by the way, this place is called Desa Petaling. Mostly condominiums over here. Then the property, not much. In fact, there's only one. Desa Villa, if I'm not mistaken, the name called the place is Desa Villa. Those are a big house, semi-detached houses. Not for me. I am not that rich. Okay, let's see. Where's my drone? It's over here. Alright, okay. Let's bring it back. Shall we? Battery with 37. I think I can fly for another few more minutes before I bring it down. 37%. Okay, I'll fly for one more round before I bring it down. And yeah, actually I want to fly over at this lake right in front. I've been there several times already. I wanted to go there just now actually, but thinking of the the CAAM's regulation, I'm a bit worried. I might as well fly at somewhere near my place. And in fact, the construction area that I mentioned just now, I have a request from one of my subscribers for an update on this construction area. So I think I shall come here. Okay, sorry I yawned too fast because I'm eyeing at my drone just now. Okay, so the beautiful Kuala Lumpur. Battery with 32%. And for those of you who knows me, I'm the kind of flyer who loves to fly drone. I really cannot go without drone. So, oh yeah, one of my subscribers did mention about the some progress on the leniency of this CAAM's regulation, the permit matters. Maybe after this I can just put in the link on the description area. You can check it out. There might be some leniency request by the drone community in Malaysia, but how will it materialize, I'm not too sure. Hopefully in the near future it will materialize, and how lenient it is, nobody knows yet. but at least somebody's working now, somebody's doing something. Okay, battery with 25%. Okay, let's bring it back. At least I'm able to fly today. Quite happy. Yeah, and thanks so much for those of you who still sticks to my channel after a long rest. After a long rest, I never make any new content. I'll try to make more and more contents, but again, I have to be very careful. Okay, the drone is coming down now. Okay, as usual, let me just check it out and see whether if my tripod is still running. Okay, very good. Yeah, tripod is running, very good. Okay, let's bring down the drone. Yep, I bring down the gimbal. Yeah, battery is low, I know. I'm coming down now. Okay, here comes the drone.
Landing.
Beautiful landing. All right, that's good. I'm happy. Yep. Okay. There we go. My DJI Mini 2 SE, and I do not know what to say after a long rest. As I said, I'll try to make more contents later, but again, I have to be very careful. I do not want myself to be caught in this with this huge fine, which I couldn't afford to pay the kind of 550,000 ringgit. That's a lot of money, you know. Okay, so anyway, I'm happy that I'm able to fly. I can make content today, and again, thank you very much for those of you who still sticks to my channel. I can see so far the number of subscribers still remain the same. I'm very happy, and thank you so much for your support. Well, again, please do give me a thumbs up if you think this is the content that it makes you happy. Okay, and for those of you who are new to my channel, if this is the content you're looking for, I hope you all can consider subscribe to my channel. As usual, okay, thanks very much for watching. Take care always, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.